Hi guys, I will show you how to change your Instagram password. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. Open Instagram. Open Instagram profile. Open three dot menu. Open account center and open password and security. And open change password. Select Instagram account and current password and new password and retain new password. Current password and new password and retype new password and change password. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.